Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to explore one of the most beautiful traditions of the Filipino culture, the Bayanihan spirit. Have you ever heard of it? Bayanihan is all about unity, teamwork, and helping one another.
It's a value that has been passed down through generation, and it's still alive today. Let's dive into this amazing world of cooperation and kindness. This is Gilbert Lopez Marti Cacho.
And this is Jana Crispy Baclayo.
You are watching Good Morning Dabaw.
Paano mo sisimulan? Mabuti ng iyong hangad. Paano kung ang pakiramdam mag-isa kang lumalaban?
Paano mo tatahakin landas ng madilim? Paano makakamit? Paano mararating? Nagsimula na magkakasama sa baba. Sabay-sabay patas lahat itigala.
Lahat magagawa kung sama-sama. Kung may palakid man ay kaya-kaya. Mga pangarap nating hawak-hawak. Isa-isang matutupad kapit na bayanihan.
Everyone, our neighbor Pedro needs to move his house to a safer place. The rainy season is coming. His family might be in danger.
Let's help him. We can carry his house together. That's what Bayanihan is all about.
In the old days, when a family needed to move their house, the whole community would come together to carry it on their shoulders. This act of unity is called Bayanihan. It shows how Filipinos work together to achieve something bigger than themselves.
Storm leaves so much trash and debris in our school. To clean this up before classes start again.
Ask our classmates and teachers. If we all work together, we will finish faster.
Bayanihan isn't just a thing of the past. Even today, we see the Bayanihan spirit in action. When communities come together to rebuild after disaster, when students help each other with projects, or when neighbors share foods and resources, it's about helping without expecting anything in return.
I'm not good at building things. I don't think I can help you much with this project.
Don't worry, you're good at researching and I'm good at drawing. Let's combine our skills. Together, we can make an amazing project.
Bayanihan teaches us that everyone has something to contribute. When we work together, we can achieve great things. It's not about being the best individually, it's about being the best team.
So, how can you practice the Bayanihan spirit? Here are some simple ways. Help a classmate who's struggling in their homeworks. Join a community cleanup, drive, and tree planting activities. Share what you have with those in need, like food or clothes. Be kind and respectful to everyone, even if they're different from you. Remember, Bayanihan starts with the small acts of kindness. Remember, Bayanihan starts with a small act of kindness. When we all do our part, we can make community stronger and happier.
Let's keep the Bayanihan spirit alive. Together, we can build a brighter future for everyone. Thank you for watching, and remember,
Ang magagawa ng isa, mas maganda kung gagawin nating lahat. What one can do is better when we all together do it.
please like, share, and comment down below. This is Jono Crispy Baclayo.
And this is Gilbert Lopez Marti Cacho.
Good morning, Dabaw!
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.